Welcome to this lesson on the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth ER is a vital organelle found in eukaryotic cells. It plays crucial roles in lipid synthesis and detoxification processes. Unlike its counterpart, the rough ER, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum has a distinct appearance and specialized functions that are essential for cell survival and metabolism. What makes the smooth ER smooth? The answer lies in its structure. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum has no ribosomes attached to its surface, which gives it a smooth appearance under an electron microscope. This is in stark contrast to the rough ER, which is studded with ribosomes. The smooth ER forms a tubular network structure throughout the cell, creating an interconnected system of membranes that facilitate its various functions. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum performs three primary functions in the cell. First, it is responsible for lipid and steroid synthesis, creating essential molecules for cell membranes and hormones. Second, it plays a critical role in drug and toxin detoxification, breaking down harmful substances that enter the cell. Third, it serves as a storage site for calcium ions and regulates their release, which is crucial for many cellular processes, including muscle contraction and cell signaling. One of the most important functions of the smooth ER is lipid synthesis. It produces phospholipids, which are the building blocks of cell membranes. It also synthesizes steroids, including hormones and cholesterol that regulate various body functions. Additionally, the smooth ER creates triglycerides, which are energy storage molecules, and fatty acids, which are essential components of many lipids. These lipid synthesis activities are vital for maintaining cell structure and function. The smooth ER is a major site of detoxification in the cell, particularly in liver cells. It contains special enzymes called cytochrome P450 enzymes. These enzymes convert lipid-soluble toxins into water-soluble compounds, making them easier to eliminate from the body. The smooth ER metabolizes a wide range of substances including drugs, alcohol, pesticides, and other harmful chemicals. This detoxification process protects cells and the entire organism from potentially dangerous compounds. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum acts as the cell's calcium storage warehouse. It stores calcium ions in high concentrations and can release them rapidly when needed. This calcium storage function is essential for regulating cell signaling pathways. The controlled release of calcium from the smooth ER is particularly important for muscle contraction, allowing muscles to respond quickly to nerve signals. It also plays a key role in nerve transmission, helping neurons communicate effectively throughout the nervous system. The smooth ER is not equally distributed in all cell types. It is particularly abundant in cells that have high demands for its functions. Muscle cells contain extensive smooth ER, known as the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which stores and releases calcium for muscle contraction. Liver cells have large amounts of smooth ER for detoxifying drugs and metabolizing substances. Endocrine cells, which produce hormones, are also rich in smooth ER because they need to synthesize steroid hormones and other lipid-based signaling molecules. Let's recap the key points about the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. First, the smooth ER has no ribosomes attached to its surface, which distinguishes it from the rough ER. Second, it is specialized for lipid synthesis and detoxification, performing these critical functions efficiently. Third, it is essential for calcium regulation in cells, controlling the storage and release of calcium ions for various cellular processes. Understanding the smooth ER helps us appreciate how cells maintain their structure, respond to their environment, and protect themselves from harmful substances.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.